The Frog and the Lion. In a vast forest, there lived a lion who was the king of the forest. It was strong, mighty, and powerful. All the animals in the forest were afraid of it. Near that forest, there was a small pond that was home to a frog. This frog was small and weak, but it had wisdom and could think carefully. One day, the lion had been searching for food for many days, but found nothing. It was tired and very hungry. Suddenly, it walked to the edge of the pond and saw a frog sitting on a lotus leaf. The lion said, "Frog, today will become my evening meal." The frog was very frightened, but it kept its composure and said, "Lord Lion, you are the king of the forest, mighty and powerful. But before you eat me, please listen to me first." The lion was curious and asked, "What do you want to say?" The frog said, "I am small and weak, with little meat. If you eat me, you will still be hungry. But if you spare my life, I will take you to a place with much more food." The lion asked, "Where?" The frog replied, "On the other side of this pond, there are many large animals like deer and wild boar. If you go there, you will eat well for many days." The lion, greedy for more food, agreed to follow the frog. The frog led the lion through the forest for a long time until the lion was very tired. The lion asked, "When will we arrive?" The frog replied, "Almost there. Just be patient a little longer." The frog led the lion further until they reached a large river. The frog jumped into the water and said, "Lord Lion, those animals are on the other side of this river. If you want them, you must swim across." The lion looked at the wide, deep river and didn't know how to swim. It said, "I don't know how to swim." The frog smiled and said, "You are the king of the forest whom all animals fear, but now you cannot cross this river. Your power has limits. You should not look down on others." The lion was very ashamed and realized that the frog had used its wisdom to escape death. It said, "Frog, today you have taught me a lesson. I should not look down on those smaller than me." From then on, the lion never looked down on small animals again, and the frog lived peacefully in its pond. Educational morals. Wisdom conquers strength. Clever wisdom can overcome great physical strength. Don't underestimate the small. Those who are small or weak may have wisdom greater than ours. Power has limits. No matter how powerful you are, you still have limitations. Greed leads to deception. Excessive greed makes us easy to deceive. Self-awareness. Know your own limitations and respect others.